Are you serious? Are you serious, folks? Let me just say real quick. We just had some unbelievable storms last night, especially through the Nashville, Tennessee area. Record-breaking number of power outages ever after a storm hits Middle Tennessee. Unbelievable amount of damage. Residents woke up this morning to the aftermath of a powerful storms that downed power lines, uprooted trees, and left more than 100,000 people without power across Middle Tennessee. Let me put a shout out right now first to healthwithpaul.com. That's healthwithpaul.com. Folks, in the year 2020, and what a prophetic year this is going to be and has already been. It is so important to keep your body healthy all the time. Matter of fact, collagen may be the closest thing we will ever get to the real fountain of youth, while also forming a wall of defense between your immune system and the rest of your body. Matter of fact, the older you are, in fact, the more likely it's caught your attention. And for good reason. Many health experts are already saying, and they now agree, that consuming collagen is a crucial as it gets to renew and revitalize how you look and feel. Now, I'm not talking about human collagen. I will not endorse that. I'm talking about plant life collagen or animal collagen. Matter of fact, after all, collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and essentially the glue that holds you together. Now, it's a fact that after age 20, people produce less than 12% collagen in their skin each decade. And for some, it's even greater than that. This means, folks, that by the time you're middle-aged, you could be producing less than half of the collagen that your body requires by the time you are middle-aged, like me. And seriously, guys, you could be producing, that's not the same as your youth, okay? Even worse, various lifestyle factors you may have been exposed to, like poor diet or smoking or pollution or stress and excessive sun exposure can deplete your collagen and leads to even faster depletion. So go visit this page at www.healthwithpaul.com. That's www.healthwithpaul.com and secure your supply of the best collagen on the market. I trust it, and you will too. Well, let me just tell you something right now. In Nashville, this record-breaking power outages, 100,000 people now without power in Middle Tennessee. One person, a firefighter, is dead. He died in Murray County as a result of the storm, according to officials. The storm caused one of the largest power outages in Nashville, Tennessee history, and another round of storms was expected tonight, again, until this morning. So tomorrow morning. So look out, Nashville, Tennessee. Look out, middle of the country, because it's coming back again. This cool front that's come down from the north that we're experiencing here a little bit, and the heat that's come up from the south is causing the Tennessee, Kentucky area, maybe even in Missouri, there could be some serious problems. In Davison County, nearly 130,000 Nashville electric service customers lost power last night, while in NES officials report being one of their largest outages on record. It's crazy. Also, 96,000 customers still don't have power as of this morning in Nashville, Tennessee. Crews are focusing on the outages affecting the highest number of customers first. Currently, there is over 20 reported customers with over 1,000 customers affected in different areas, and they got to get to them. But nearly 5,000 people, Middle Tennessee Electric Membership Corporation customers, were also without power. A majority of them are in Williamson and in Wilson counties. Representatives from both businesses and crews would be working around the clock to help restore the power. Trees are down, power lines have been ripped, poles have been broken, Guys, seriously, this was very, very tornadic. And straight line winds were of record reported. The ETAs on the power restoration at this time is due to the record-breaking number of outages of the crews. It's going to take some time, guys. It's going to take some time. Broken tree limbs, overturned basketball hoops, down power lines, snapped telephone poles are just few of the things. Roofs blown off homes, damaging to some houses. Just a really, really bad storms that tore through Tennessee last night. In Dixon County, multiple roads, including Nelson Road and Lock Hollow Road, have been shut down due to storm damage with trees everywhere and branches. Despite extensive damage across the region, the meteorologists said today they do not believe a tornado touched down, that this was just some kind of weird atmospheric compression and straight line winds, extremely high straight line winds and swirling winds. Yet they don't have any sighting of a tornado. So they don't know what else to do. They don't know, what do? You have straight line winds. This is what Mike from around the world talked about was going to happen. And it's causing power outages. It's causing straight line winds. It's going to create more and more issues. Now, May 12th is coming. May 12th is coming. Today's May 4th, 2020. And if you, this weekend, a lot of folks watched the MegaQuake 2020 conference from all over the world, from 23 different countries. We had people who watched the MegaQuake conference. It was an incredible success. Everyone said it was phenomenal information. I knew it would be because during the filming of it, I couldn't believe what the great info that came forward. And so, guys, seriously, if you look, what you can do, get the DVD, get the MegaQuake DVD, get the MegaQuake DVD, have it for your home, and watch the entire series, okay? It is that good, okay? People really, really enjoyed it because of the info they got. Now, don't forget, May 12th is coming. And of course, that Mike Around the World addressed that in the MegaQuake conference. And some people are still buying the MegaQuake conference. You can do that. Go to Vimeo and do that, or go to my website. But really important to understand that get the DVDs for this. Now, understand there were some more things that happened last night that is very disturbing. But I'm going to share more of those in our live broadcast. Starts at 12 noon Eastern. So I'll be back with more. Give your life to Jesus Christ, guys. We're running out of time.